Hey guys, CindyALewis here. Thank you so much for watching today. Today we are going to talk about the 15,000 subscriber giveaway. I reached 15,000 subscribers on September 17th, 2023. Thank you so much. I appreciate you and thank you, celebrate you. I'm so glad that you find value in my content and that you are coming back and watching my videos and sharing them and liking them. Thank you so much. And so I am gonna do a giveaway on October 18th. So we're gonna have you go all the way through October 17th. So you have this time to enter the giveaway. The big subscriber giveaway in September is still going on. So just so you know that. And this one though is going to be for the 15,000 subscriber giveaway. This keyword that you'll need to put in your comments below is 15K for CL, so 15,000 for CindyALewis. So this is what the entry word will be, 15K for CL. That's what you need to put in the comments below. You can enter every day. You can enter every single day. If you share this video, you can enter again. Every time you share it, you can enter again. So you can get quite a few shares and entries in, but make sure every time you put 15K for CL. That's all you have to put in the comments. Of course, you can put other things if you want to, but that's what will get you in the entry. That's what the random comment picker will look for when I go to draw the winners. Also, you must be a subscriber to my channel because I'm celebrating you, and 18 or older. You do need to be US or Canada, and put those keywords in. Now, to claim your prize, this is really, really important. If you haven't already won something from my channel, or if I don't have your address, you will need to go back to your original comment and you'll have to claim your prize that way. That's the only way that I can make sure you are getting, we don't want any scammers getting in on that. So we're going to prevent that. So let me show you what the prizes are. Number one, there will be a $20 gift card on Amazon. Yep, $20 gift card to the winner. There will be 4 different winners, so that's one thing. Another thing is the Ultimate Scrapbook Supply Kit. This is an amazing kit. I did a video on it yesterday, and it has, or day before, and it has 331 pieces plus the journal in it. If you want to see everything that's in this, you can go back to that video and I share how to make a page from it just on the fly. And it has some really pretty stickers. It has the journal. It has pages in there, 50 pages, and even some little tags. So really fun kit that will be given away as well. Additionally, I'm going to give away this whole set here of dies. This one is a poinsettia die set. That is an Anna Griffin die. So it'll be this one, and then it will be this sticker set. These 2 double-sided dies, this love and this roses one. These are Crafter's Companion. This stamp and die set, so cute little teddy bear. It's called Birthday Balloons. And then this vintage stamp set with the bird cage and everything. It's really cool. All right, so that's all one. So we've got the $20 gift card, this set I just told you about, the scrapbook. So that's 3 prizes. The 4th prize is a whole set. It's a subscription box number 38 from Crafter's Companion. It is the pop-out scene set. You can have enough to make 24 cards in here, and they're amazing. There's over 200 elements in the set, and it's it's brilliant. I tell you, I've done a lot of videos on these subscription boxes, so you can go back to my Crafter's Companion playlist, and you can find all kinds of videos. But this box will be another prize. So there will be 4 winners drawn on October 18th. So I hope you'll enter. Thank you so much for supporting my channel and being a subscriber. And remember, the key word or phrase is 15K4CL. There's no spaces in here. Just put this in your comments. So thanks so much. Thanks for watching my channel, and I appreciate you. Bye-bye.